Today I will talk about two things, which is proper agriculture technology and effectiveness of the use of partial chain tractor. First, I want to talk about proper agriculture technology. What I understand, it is an information based on technology in the agriculture management system that combine appropriate agriculture practice to manage variable in the farm to ensure maximum profit and increase productivity and sustainable agriculture production. This technology is used in rice production so that it can increase and encourage large commercial operation either in the form of cluster plantation system or estate. In this precious agriculture package, the three technology developed are the automatic labeling index determination system, seed rate system at variable rate, and variable rate fertilization system. The automatic land level index determination system consists of two components, which is ground elevation sensor component and the mapping software module. In the first component, they have two category or two part. The first part is mounted on a tractor that has a global positioning antenna or known as GPS, mounted on the drive-com implementation, a processing module located in the tractor cockpit, and real-time reference radio antenna mounted on the roof of the tractor. Then the second part consists of a reference station that has GPS and RTK radio located outside the rice field. The first process is data collection is done on the last plowing in the condition of wet paddy land above saturated land. Second is when a tractor which a comb is being used for plowing, the GPS antenna above the runway comb take ground height information every 2.5 meters. Third is this information is sent to the processing module where location correction are made to obtain more accurate reading. Fourth is the data collected is processed using QGIS open source geographic information system software to filter and adjust height data. Fifth, the data is then used to determine the flatness index on the soil. And lastly, the seed sowing map is produced based on the index. Then in the second component, which is the mapping software module, elevation data collected during plowing is used in the second component of the system, which is the land mapping software module. The land mapping software module divide the data taken into three parts, like height data that is in the range of 5 cm from the overall average data is placed in a flat group. Then height data above 5 cm, average is categorized as high, and data height less than 5 cm from the overall average data is categorized as low. Seed rate system at variable rate. In this system, use the treatment map generated to sow rice seed. This system also uses technology consisting of height discharge tractor, variable application, GPS control system, and farm computer. The seed sowing treatment map produced is used by a variable rate sower mounted on height refill tractor to sow seed in the field according to the rate specified in the treatment map. The result treatment map is divided into three categories, namely high, low, and flat. Sowing seed at this variable rate will ensure more even growth of paddy tree throughout the paddy field. After that is about variable rate fertilization system. The basis of the development of variable rate fertilization technology is based on the Green Area Index module. This is a simple method to calculate fertilizer for the need of this technology. It is based on several parameters taken from the paddy field, namely nitrogen content in the tree, canopy size, and tree population. This model has three main components, namely main canopy growth component. In this component, they have developed specifically to determine the size of the tree canopy to be planted, which depend on the soil and weather condition. Second is the decision-making component, also aim to produce coefficient of result to determine fertilization according to area fertility and tree density. Third is still computation component. The fertilizer calculation component aim to calculate the fertilizer at a variable rate with the help of the coefficient of result. The advantage of this precise agriculture technology package is that it's a low efficient soil leveling and seed sowing using machine at variable rate to ensure good and uniform paddy planting. In addition, the fertilization system at a variable rate can save the use of fertilizer between 15 to 25% per hectare, while seed sowing and fertilizer activity through the same technology can reduce labor force by up to 50%. Second thing that I want to talk is about effectiveness of the use of partial chain tractor. It is divided into several parts, which is uses, plow quality, cost, plow wedge rate, potential half-track tractor, and farmer response. The first part is use of semi-chain tractor. Modification of a wheel tractor to a semi-chain tractor is a new alternative to avoid the machinery from getting stuck in a trouble area. Among the modified machinery are the new Holland 6556 DT 4WD tractor and flat modern 706C. The use of this tractor has helped a lot to solve many problems, especially areas that are difficult to plow by using a wheel tractor due to the deep soil. The second part is pirate quality. This chain tractor is usually fit with a 90-inch or 100-inch rotavator aimed at pacing the width of the tractor part. Wheel tractor typically operate at 2000 RPM engine speed, while chain tractor operate at engine speed 2200 RPM. The operator need to choose the right gear to reduce the speed of the rotavator. Speed should be reduced so that the degree of soil grinding, weed or stump destruction and field surface keratin become better quality. In addition, the plow produce become perfect for ordinary or flat land area. For deep ground area, soil conditions are better compared to wheel tractor. The third part is about cost. Relatively high for maintenance, clutch plate that often has problem with wear and tear because the operator use a lot of clutch to adjust the speed of the tractor to the ground condition, apart from the weight gain of the tractor. In addition, more fuel consumption due to having to work at low speed in problem areas. However, the maintenance and use of diesel and low loader costs can be reduced with a high wage rate for this semi-chain tractor service. For example, PPN Nasional Kota Baru said the diesel consumption can be safe because semi-chain tractor operation can plow 8 acre in one day, while wheel tractor operation can only plow 3 acre in one day. The fourth part is plow wage rate. The wage rate for plowing using a chain tractor varies by state. However, the average wage rate set for plowing a field is Rm10 to 30 ringgit per acre, higher than a wheel tractor, but it is still in high demand among the farmer who have a problem in their field. The fifth part is the potential of a half-track tractor. Demand for semi-chain tractor is increased. This is because some farmers think that their hard pan field is getting better when using this tractor. The potential of this tractor in agriculture is very bright because it has the ability to plow in a short time. This tractor can plow 8 to 12 acre in one day compared to wheel tractor only 3 to 6 acre per day. The sixth part is response from farmers. The response from the farmers as well as the appointed brokers was good and satisfactory. This is because they have seen a new chance in the agriculture sector, especially the cultivation of new technological paddy, which is still not widely used in Malaysia. The conclusion is the use of a semi-chain tractor can help solve the problem like able to plow area that are difficult to plow by wheel tractor, can overcome the problem of lack of tractor in the production sector paddy by increasing the rate of work per hectare, and facilitate the work of planting and maintenance of crops. That's all from me. I hope our lecturer can hear and give the best mark for me. Till we'll meet again. Assalamualaikum.